Hey guys, you might be asking yourself, why make caprese chicken? Well, it's simple, easy, a great midweek meal, and to top it off, incredibly delicious. So let me show you how to make this. So the first thing you want to do is give your sheet pan a good coating of olive oil. Lay our chicken thighs on. Now I'm using chicken thighs here with skin on. You can use breasts too. I just like the thighs. They tend to be a lot juicier and a little more yummy. Lay some cherry tomatoes around the thighs. I'd say about 15-20, but it's entirely up to you. Now you can use grape as well, whatever you like. Give everything another quick coating of olive oil. It's beginning to look pretty already, isn't it, guys? Give these a seasoning with some salt. Pepper, gots to have my pepper. Some garlic powder, just to keep those nasty vampires away. And last but not least, some of my all-time favorite Italian seasoning. Now we are going into a 400 degree Fahrenheit, 200 Celsius preheated oven for 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, just look at this, guys. Doesn't that look incredible? Now I'm going to lay some of that wonderful mozzarella over the top. Okay, now we're going back into the oven for another 5 minutes. In the meantime, let's do up our balsamic sauce. Just a cup or half a cup of balsamic vinegar. And I've got this over medium-high heat. I'm just going to reduce the heat to medium-low and continue to stir this until it reduces and starts to thicken up. Okay, this is pretty good right here, guys. Just look at this. Nice, beautiful texture. Okay, let's drizzle some of that wonderful balsamic sauce over the chicken and just look at the viscosity of that, how thick it is. Absolutely wonderful. So one thing I want to mention, guys, is this vinegar is really going to dirty up your pot, make it gooey and sticky. So get some hot water and soap in here immediately. And last but not least, a bit of basil over the top. You can use dried if you don't have fresh. And there you have it, guys, our simple and easy midweek caprese chicken. You're gonna love this, a hit for the whole family. Okay, let's go ahead and serve this up. Oh my goodness, this looks absolutely delicious. Not to mention smells incredible. And of course, we've got to get those wonderful tomatoes on there too. Okay, my fellow chicken lovers, let's dig in here. Get a tomato on there. Some of that cheese and some of that basil. Oh. And of course, we want some of that sauce on there. Just look at this, guys. Doesn't that look incredible? Mmm. My friends, this is so good. That reduced balsamic vinegar, the seasoning, the chicken, that mozzarella over the top, just absolutely, I mean, incredible. You gotta make this fantastic midweek meal. I'm gonna have more of this for sure.